Hello, this is Amanda from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider, and today I'm going over dynamic compression. So this is different than standard compression. This is dynamic compression. So I first wanted to show you the test system that I have and how I have it set up to pay out. So this is in the unilevel system, and this is for the levels commission where I'm going to show you how the dynamic compression works. So here's my tree I built. I have C sponsored D, D sponsored E, E sponsored F, F sponsored G, G sponsored H, and H sponsored I. And I do have it set up to where it will only pay out one level for dynamic compression because I thought that would be easier to show you with one level. And you do have to be ranked an all-star to earn the levels commission. So the first thing I want to show you is when you look at the distributors and the downline, we see the top one is an all-star, and all of these members are not ranked yet. This is the default rank, so they haven't made rank yet. And remember, you have to be an all-star to receive the levels commission. I then placed an order for I, so one order was placed for I. And to show you how dynamic compression works is what the system will do is it will look at the order and it'll look at the sponsor. So the sponsor is here, and it shows that H is an associate member, so they're not ranked all-star, so it won't pay out the levels 1 commission to them. So then it looks to the next person in the upline, associate member, associate member. It keeps looking up, and then it finally finds someone who's qualified to earn the levels commission, and it pays this person the level 1 bonus. So if you look, you can see that all the way down here on their 6th level, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, was the order was placed, but the level 1 dynamic compression bonus was paid out all the way up here for the level 1. So I'm going to show you how that looks in the calculate commission screen. So I'm going to go to calculate and review. And then I'm here in the unilevel. I'm going to go ahead and calculate commissions. Alright, then I'm going to click on the View Commissions and click on the period ID too. So here's our member. Here they're ranked the All-Star, and here's their unilevel commissions. I set the level 1 to pay out $10, and then when you look on here, you can see that the order was placed by I, and the level 1 commission, and the volume was 100, was paid out 10%. So if we look back at our tree, let me go back to the tree. If there was a member ranked as All-Star closer to the order that was created in the upline, then they would have received the level 1 commission. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to vest a member. I'm going to vest E right here so we can see how it will pay out for the same order. So I'm going to pause this while I vest E. Okay, so I went ahead and vested E to All-Star. We're still looking at that same order that was placed by I, so it's going to keep looking up to pay that first level, and then it's going to get to E and pay it to them, and it won't pay to the upline anymore. So let's look at that. Let's go to Plans and Calculate and Review. Click on our Calculate Commissions, View Commissions. So here we can see that the bonus went to E, the levels bonus went to E, and you can see it was the level 1 paid out to E at 10%. Now if I decided to do 2 levels, it'll work the same way. It'll first look to pay out the level 1, and then it'll keep looking out to pay the level 2. So I'm going to pause this. I'm going to go ahead and put a 5% payout for the level 2. Okay, we're back here on our tree, and I went ahead and put a level 2 payout in there. So here's the same order that we're looking at, and it keeps looking up to pay out level 1. It'll pay out level 1 to E. Then it'll keep looking up and pay out level 2 to C. So let's see what that looks like. Let's go to our Calculate and Review. We'll click on the Calculate Commissions and View Commissions. Click on our period ID 2. So here's our E. Remember, this is closer to the order, which was placed by I. So you can click right here on their ID, and we can go to the levels commission. Here's their level 1. They were paid out 10% off 100. And here's the order that was made by I. And then we'll look at the level 2, which was played up further in the upline because I kept looking up for level 2. So here is level 2, 100. They got 5% commissions, which was 5. So hopefully that helps with understanding how dynamic compression works. Please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support team in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions about this or any other trainings, would like to schedule one-on-one training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with a Multisoft account executive, please call us at 1-239-945-6433 or submit a help desk ticket request at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com.